Welcome back to my YouTube channel. This gorgeous top is our tutorial for today, and I'll be using this yarn, acrylic yarn, and it's 100 grams. I only have 2 rolls, that's why I need something simple with a 2.5 millimeters hook. I'm going to use 30 centimeters for my neck to neck, and that will be a chain of 70. Make a loop and chain 70. Make sure to take your own measurements. These are my own measurements because we have different sizes and different shoulder length. My chain is ready. I have to make sure it's 30 centimeters. It can be beyond by like 1, but that's okay. So it is. And now you're going to chain 1, skip the first 2 loops into the first loop and make a double crochet. Wrap your yarn, go into the next loop, pull through 1, pull through 2. That's a double crochet. Wrap your yarn, go into the next loop, pull through 1, pull through 2, and make a double crochet along the entire chain. I am getting to the end of the row. So this is my first row. Chain 2 for the next row. Turn your work. We are now going to work an increase. So start from the very first loop with a double crochet and then continue working a double crochet along the entire chain. But from this row and going forward, we are going to be doing an increase at the end of the row until we have a total of 20 rows. I am getting towards the end of my row 2, and here we are going to work an increase at the last loop, or in the last loop you're going to enter 2 double crochets in the last loop. I don't want the increase to be too extreme, so we can use just 2 double crochets to keep the increase light. So this is 2 rows. Row 3, chain 2, turn your work, start from the very first loop with a double crochet, put no increase since we have it at the end of the row. Work a double crochet until the end of the row. I'll meet you there. I am getting towards the end of the row. Again, you're going to work 2 double crochet in the end for our increase. So you're going to keep doing this until you have a total of 20 rows. Fast forward, I am on my 20th row of my increase. So this is it. You can see that the increase is really minimal, and that's what I want. The next step is easier, and now we are going to work 20 rows of double crochets without any increase at the end of the row, which makes a total of 20 rows. But follow your measurements because we have different sizes. If you're a little bit bigger than me, you have to increase on the rows you're doing. I will try to write every detail in the description and the estimate for each sizes. And now I am getting done with my 40th row of double crochet, and this is it. And you need 2 pieces of this. I already have mine made off camera. I have touched it up already, you can see that, and that's all I'm going to show you now. So you are going to chain 1 and work a single crochet in each double crochet. You put 2 single crochets to clean up the edges of our piece. 2 single crochets on each double crochet. I am almost done because you're doing it all around the entire piece, neck, arm, waist, below, all over. So I'll meet you when I'm done with mine. I don't want to make the video draggy. I am done. Like I said, this video is absolutely fast. You don't need much. It's beginners friendly. I could do this under the rainy weather piece. Absolutely beautiful. I love the color blends. And now these are my 2 pieces. I'm going to join them together. Get your stitch markers and put on the shoulders. I counted 10 loops for each, from shoulder to neck, towards neck, 10 loops, and this is it. So we can work on that fast. So make a loop. I'm just going to show you one, and then the other you can do it on your own, but it's the everyday thing. I'm going to use a slip stitch to join the 2 pieces together. I am done joining this together. It's absolutely beautiful. You can see. Do the same on the other side. My piece is well joined together. That's literally all you need. And then it's just strings and you're good to go. Beautiful. The color is absolutely gorgeous. I have attached my stitch markers. I went on the row 20, I attached my stitch marker. I skipped 10 rows and I attached the next. The same on the other side, and what you'll do on the other pieces. And now I switched to a 3.5 millimeters hook. So I doubled my yarn because I want the strings to be thicker. The yarn is thin. So I'm going to do strings as usual, a chain on all the stitch markers, and then our piece is ready. And that's it with our piece. I managed to finish with my 2 rows. Bye bye.